This video is presented by Forex Trader Training.info. Traps to avoid when it comes to Forex. In the online trading market, it is important to make smart currency trades so that you don't lose a lot of money. That is where smart currency trading comes in handy. Follow these tips to help refine your currency trading strategies so that you can make better trades and profits. With the Forex market being gigantic, the rumor mill surrounding it is also enormous. Always make sure you're avoiding the hearsay and rumors surrounding certain currency pairs. Just look at what happens to investors every decade or so when markets collapse. Avoid this fate by sticking with what is tangible and ignoring the rumors. It is almost inevitable that you will make unprofitable trades when you start trading on Forex. Do not forget the concept of sunk costs when one of your trades turns sour. Money that you lose on a bad trade is lost forever, and funneling more money into such a trade will only increase your losses. To do well in Forex trading, focus on a single pair of currencies and then expand that number as your skill level increases. Because currency trading is complicated and difficult to learn, stick to a currency pair that you understand and are familiar with, and then develop your knowledge from there. Using a betting firm to trade on the Forex market is becoming increasingly popular with traders. However, before you jump on the bandwagon, you should be aware that this method has its shortcomings. Primarily, if you consistently win money from your chosen bookmaker, the company will begin to decrease the amount you can bet and may even close your account. A safer bet is to stick with a Forex broker or a spread betting firm, especially if you depend on your market earnings for a living. When trading in the foreign exchange market, let your profits run as long as you safely can, but don't let your greed prevent you from being cautious. If you have made a significant profit on a trade already, withdraw some of the money from that trade to diversify into something else. You can't never tell when a given market might crash. Even more so than with other investment opportunities, Forex is not a place to park money that a trader cannot afford to lose. Emotion is the enemy of the successful Forex trader, and it is impossible to overcome emotion when the trader is using capital that he or she needs to pay bills and living expenses. You are just starting out in Forex trading. You just made a risky position and it paid off big. Do not break out the champagne just yet. A solitary trade that turns out profitable feels good, and you should enjoy the feeling. Before you decide you are successful, examine performance over a longer time frame. It is the sum of your trades that dictates your success, not your individual high points. As you can see from the previous list of tips, smart currency trading can really make a difference in whether you make a lot of money or lose a lot of money. It takes a lot of work and a lot of patience, but it is all worth it in the end to make smarter trades and more profits. This video is presented by Forex Trader Training.info.